Ever wondered how crucial website maintenance could be for your online presence? Well, let's unravel that mystery. The digital world is in constant flux, with technologies, trends, and algorithms always changing. To keep up, your website needs regular tune-ups. Much like a car, without proper maintenance, it can start to run poorly or even break down. Website maintenance is a comprehensive process that ensures your site is running smoothly and efficiently. It helps improve user experience by ensuring that everything on your site is up to date and functioning optimally. This not only keeps your visitors happy, but also helps boost your site's SEO ranking. After all, search engines love fresh, error-free content. But what happens if you ignore website maintenance? Well, you risk slower load times, broken links, security breaches, and a decline in your SEO ranking. Not a pretty picture, right? Now that we understand its importance, how about we delve into the process of website maintenance? Website maintenance isn't rocket science, but it does require diligence and consistency. Let's break it down into 5 simple, manageable steps. First and foremost, regular updates. Just as you wouldn't drive a car without getting it serviced, you shouldn't operate a website without updating it. This includes everything from your website's platform, themes, plugins, to even your content. Regular updates keep your website running smoothly and efficiently and help you stay on top of the latest features and security patches. Next up, backups. In the digital world, accidents happen. Servers crash, data gets lost, and sometimes things break. That's where backups come in. Regularly backing up your website means that if the worst happens, you can restore your site to its previous state with minimal downtime. Thirdly, security checks. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and unfortunately, so are the threats. Regular security checks help to identify and fix potential vulnerabilities before they become major problems. This includes checking for malware, updating passwords, and monitoring for unauthorized access. Moving on to performance optimization. In a world where a fraction of a second can mean the difference between a visitor staying on your site or bouncing off, performance optimization is crucial. This involves actions like optimizing images, cleaning up databases, and minimizing code. The goal here is to ensure your website loads quickly and runs smoothly, providing the best possible user experience. Finally, content updates. Your website is your digital storefront, and just like a physical store, it needs to be kept fresh and inviting. Regularly updating your content not only keeps your website relevant and engaging, but it also helps with search engine optimization, keeping you visible in search results. By following these steps, you can ensure your website remains in tip-top shape. But what are the key takeaways from this process? Website maintenance might seem overwhelming at first, but once you understand the key points, it becomes manageable. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered so far. Regular updates are crucial, ensuring that your site runs smoothly and stays compatible with the latest technologies. Backups should be a non-negotiable part of your routine, providing a safety net in case things go awry. Security checks are like the watchful eyes on your website, helping to ward off potential threats and keep your data secure. And let's not forget content updates. Keeping your site fresh and engaging helps to attract and retain your audience. All these elements combined contribute to a well-maintained website. And why is that important? Because a well-maintained website offers a better user experience, boosts your search engine rankings, and ultimately enhances your online reputation. Remember, a well-maintained website is not just a luxury, it's a necessity in today's digital world. Maintaining a website can be time-consuming, but don't worry, webgynic.com is here to help. We understand the intricacies of website maintenance, and we're ready to take the burden off your shoulders. Our platform is designed to help website owners manage their WordPress websites with ease and efficiency. From the smallest updates to critical security measures, we've got you covered. Remember those maintenance tasks we talked about earlier? Well, at webgynic.com, we take care of all that and more. We keep your website running smoothly, ensuring it's always up to date, secure, and optimized for performance. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing top-notch service, offering round-the-clock support to keep your website in prime condition. We believe in making website maintenance hassle-free, so you can focus on what you do best. With webgynic.com, maintaining your website becomes a breeze. So why wait? Give your website the care it deserves.